What's up, guys? ssub Mitchell.
Double take.
And we have Brandon,
Special
the guest star. Just got here. We're gonna be reviewing my bike. That's the bike we just reviewed, the Hero 400.3. This is going to be the Kranked. That's all I have. Whoa, the Kranked 24-inch. Not a bad bike.
Close up. Always do close up.
Disc brakes. You know, all the wires. The seat, way more comfortable than that plastic thing. Plastic cranks, plastic friggin', you know, pedals. Thank you, Brandon. Crappy ass bike. Well, it's not that bad. It's dirty, hasn't been cleaned. Bad suspension, as you can see. Close. 7 speed. 3 large ones, or small ones, or even back brakes, not this. You know. Whoa. Okay, get off.
Whoa.
That's why I didn't want you on there.
Okay, so the review today is obviously on the Kranked 24-inch. So we're gonna, I don't know what to start
It's green
off
and black.
Yeah, it's green and black. We're gonna start off with the handlebars and the brakes. Now it's different than a BMX bike, because all mountain bikes or dirt bike, like dirt, I don't know, help me here.
Dirt jumpers?
Dirt jumpers have front brakes usually, and you need the back brake unless you're stupid, like some kid we know, and has no brakes at all. Just
who's that?
Dawson. And well, reflectors obviously.
What is feet?
Pretty sure this is the
shock.
Yeah, shock. Thank you for that, Brandon.
That was Tim.
Tim. Yes, sounds Tim.
It's weird.
And the chain, it's, well, obviously 7 gears, because it's a mountain bike, and mountain bikes have gears, so...
Doesn't mean it's obviously gonna have 7.
Well, I mean, it has 7, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it does.
And the seat, it's...
Oh, what the...
It's, well, comfortable. Not plastic, as you can see. And the tires are cranked. The same, it's a complete brand bike, I'm guessing. And, well, this one has a kickstand too. And I'll just let you take it from here, Tim.
It's green and black, as you can see. It's in fairly good shape for the amount of time I've spent with it.
5 years?
5 or 6 years I've had it now. When I got it, I couldn't fit on it, surprisingly. It was that big of a bike then. Obviously not now, like, I'm what, like 5'3"?
Yeah, around there, I'm 5 foot, like,
and
5.
Let me get on the other side. It doesn't even reach my hip. My hip right there. You can see I've grown. Other than that, it's a comfortable bike. You know, not that bad. Tires are okay. It's, for 5 years, it's in okay shape.
Yeah, 5 years.
Like, tires are starting to get worn out.
It's starting to get rusty too, in a way. I don't see that much rust, but... And, yeah. So, that's our review on the Kranked 24-inch mountain bike.
Shit.
Sorry the camera fell. And well, this is our review. Comment, rate, subscribe, guys. This is RC Boy 117 signing off. Peace.
Los Angeles.